name is Megan. Welcome back to my channel, Adventures with Megan. We're in Antigua in Guatemala. We've just arrived today. We've checked into our Airbnb, which is like inside a hotel. I'm a bit confused. The beds are very, very comfy. And we've got an ensuite, and then downstairs is a shared kitchen. We've just got a transfer from San Pedro, which was on Lake Acatenango, and we're gonna go out for some food. We are actually out already. It's like been like 10 minutes since I last made a clip, so that's excellent. I booked myself in for my nails tomorrow, so they're looking a bit of a sorry state, unfortunately. But I feel like my Spanish has reached a peak where I can describe to the lady exactly what I want, like, doing with my nails, and book myself in. So that's why you pay for Spanish classes, so you get the right gel nails. No gracias. They have touch-ups here. That must be very uncomfortable on the couples. We are off to La Casa de las Sopas because someone we met on the shuttle, who is Guatemalan, recommended this place for pepian, which is like, is it like a stew? Yeah. It's a stew. So that's where we're going. Also, I really like the streets. They're really pretty, and there's like volcanoes everywhere. I have pepian, which is like a really traditional Guatemalan dish. It's like a chicken stew. It looks hot from the surface of the sun at the moment, so I'm not gonna try it for a while. Oh, it smells yummy though. It smells like a chicken stew. Oh, that's so rich. Oh, that's really tasty. It's like a thick, it tastes like beefy. It's like so rich. It tastes like it's got red wine in or something. I'm sure. Oh, it's very yummy. And it's got some coriander. Excellent, we love that. It is our first full day in Antigua this morning. I'm actually off out on my own to get my nails redone because they're a bit of a state, so I'm gonna just go for like plain lilac is the plan, and then we're gonna head out and explore Antigua.
Sometime later.
I have new nails. It took a long time. That is the most attention my cuticles have ever had in that life. If you are in Antigua and want a good gel manicure, Carol's Nail Bar is the place. This one she had to like fix because it was like broken. So pretty. We are back out. Where are we going?
To a chocolate shop.
To a chocolate shop. Rhiannon was concerned I've been eaten by the nail lady because why were you concerned?
Been gone for hours.
I was literally like an hour in and we still hadn't started on any colour because she was sorting my cuticles out. It was a wild time, but oh, they feel so fresh now.
We've come to Fernando's Cafe, which is a chocolate shop and cafe, and I've got a chocolate brownie and a chocolate.
How are they? Nice. I also have, look at that. This is the vegan chocolate cake. And then I've got an Americano because I couldn't double chocolate, you see.
Okay.
It's so incredible. Hello again. We are off on a self-guided walking tour of Antigua. That coffee was really strong. Oh boy. We're on a self-guided walking tour of Antigua because, like, obviously I love a walking tour, but sometimes you just want to stop and take photos of dogs. We followed the walking tour that I found, and I just loved all the different streets in Antigua, and we managed to find a little souvenir shop. Well, not little, it was absolutely huge. And then we continued looking at all the different buildings there were, and then I managed to find myself some sushi. I am such a massive fan of sushi, so I was very pleased to find this. It is the next day. Say hi.
Hi.
It is Saturday, which is not Park Run Day because we're in Guatemala. Oh, I think is it this way? The weather is warm today. The UV is 8, and we are walking up to a cross that's on top of the hill where you can apparently see views all over Antigua, is the plan. Also, I got a new top yesterday. It's from Banana Republic. I got it from a thrift store for £2. This reminds me a little bit of those botanical gardens. Well, I couldn't get into the botanical gardens because they were closed, but going up Mount Cootbar in Brisbane, it's definitely uphill, and I've lost a lot of fitness because I haven't been doing any exercise. So the views of the butte though. Made it. It only took like 20 minutes to get here from the accommodation, and that included stopping to watch a random marching band. It's really nice up here. There's like a cross at the top, and then there's like wings to stand in front of to be like an angel. But then it's like a forest bit, and it's really nice and it's in the shade. It's real beautiful. It now feels like the Nusa Lagoon lookout that you go to for sunset with like the forest area. It's real pretty here. We then headed back down the hill to where we had started, and then we found the rain. So we took shelter in a little cafe, had a lemonade, and then headed back to our accommodation a bit later. How's your cheese? What you got?
I've got mac and cheese, like it was leftover cheese powder from a box of mac and cheese in Belize. It's fun to run. And then I've put lots of Gouda in it, and then I've also got beans and coriander and tomatoes and sweet corn. It's really good.
Nice one. It is the next day. Look how sunny it is. Ooh, we're hoping not to get monsoons today. We're off out. It is 10:30, which is an early start for us. We are off out to the next town, which is called like Jojo Tango or something like that.
It's definitely got tango.
Yeah, it's got a J in it somewhere. Anyway, they've got a like coffee farm that we were planning to go to yesterday, but alas, that I think has like a coffee tour because the coffee is just exquisite in Guatemala. So we're going out to do that and just like explore the town. Hopefully it's a little less touristy than Antigua. And yeah, that's the plan, and hopefully not get drenched today. So it's taken us about half an hour to walk here from our accommodation in Antigua, and it's really nice. It's like all naturey. There's horses, and I think it's 20 quetzales to get in, which is like £2. And they've got a museum, they've got tours. I don't know if you have to pay extra for a tour, but I'm like super ready for a drink because all I've had is like that much coffee this morning. So whilst we've been in Central America, we've become addicted to lemonade because they do beautiful lemonade, and we've got like a half a litre of it. Oh, it's a really nice one, isn't it?
Doesn't it taste like lemon meringue pie?
It does taste like lemon meringue pie. I then took myself off for a tour of the coffee museum. If you're in the area, I would highly recommend if you have any interest in coffee. I found it very interesting, and all the displays were really clear to see, and I learned a lot. I thoroughly enjoyed that museum. I love a museum. Now I'm meeting, I want to go to the shop actually. I'm meeting Rhiannon at a giant zebra at 12:30 because she doesn't have data, so we couldn't coordinate. So we're like, we'll just meet at a giant zebra. Polo! What have you found?
Oh, I found a cactus.
Oh, have you?
Many cactuses.
Oh, I thought you got it in your bag then. I was like, oh, sir.
No.
Ooh, were they sharp? That looks real sharp.
Also, I don't know if you'll know from the coffee museum area, but is that what coffee beans look like on the plant?
Yeah, they're like berries.
Yeah, so many. Look, these are all coffee plants.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
Do they smell like coffee or no?
No,
Not until they're roasted.
all. Not at all.
I see.
That's why I was like, are they coffee? Are they not coffee? But yeah, loads of plants.
We then went to the coffee shop that was on the coffee farm, and we randomly found this game of pairs. And I will say, Rhiannon did win this game of pairs that was like a happy family matching game sort of thing.
4 hours later.
We have come to a place called the Londoner that, as the name suggests, is a British pub. They have roast dinner because it's Sunday today. I'm so excited. I've not had a roast dinner since June, and it's currently September. I've got my roast dinner. It's roast beef, roasties. It would be Yorkshire pudding, but obviously I can't eat it because it's got milk in. It's my first roast dinner in 85 days.
How are you feeling about this?
I'm very excited, pal. It's how I'm feeling. What do you have?
I got a sundae because it's Sunday.
What is in your sundae?
Ice cream.
Uh-huh.
And I think there's some peaches and some nuts and some cream.
Nice. How's your Sunday, pal?
Good. Really good.
We are back in the accommodation. We've been here for quite a while, but I've actually been doing some life admin. Rhiannon's been watching dog videos. We have come down to the kitchen to make chilli for tea. And it's a really well-equipped kitchen. So there's drinking water there, microwave, there's 2 like massive fridges, there's loads of hob space, and yeah, it's a good time. So this is our final evening in Antigua, and tomorrow we're going to El Salvador actually, which is exciting. So thank you very much for watching this vlog, and I will see you in the next one.